Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Summerville Cain and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell and give this video a thumbs up. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look with the Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow Palette. This is Tropical Days. I have swatched a couple and they were very buttery and very beautiful, but I haven't played with it yet. So I just wanted to do a quick video just seeing how it is. We're just gonna go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna go in with that super light shade right there and put that on my lid just to make sure my lid is good and set. Now we're gonna start with our crease and go in with that light tan shade. Oh, let me zoom y'all in. All right, now I'm gonna go in with that light pinkish mauve type color and work that in the crease as well. First off, I will say that I am noticing some kick up, but so far the shades are really pretty and pigmented and they blend out easily, so I'm okay with that. Like, do you see how pretty this is? Oh, that is so pretty. I ordered the Physicians Formula Casey Holmes collab, and that should be in tomorrow, and I am so excited. Now I'm gonna go in with that shade right there and work that in my outer corner. And then as I'm working it, or as I'm like packing it, I'm gonna blend it, pack, blend, you know. You know what? I'm actually gonna use this brush. I don't wanna put some of that in the crease too. Like, I am loving that purple shade. I didn't know if I wanted to use the purple or this like dark turquoise shade, but this dark turquoise shade is just calling my name. So I'm gonna go in with that and I'm just gonna place that on the outer corner. I don't know if it's the brush I'm using or what, but it's not wanting to come off as well. I figured it was gonna be a lot darker than that. Let me try a different brush because I feel like it's just looking patchy using that one. Okay, that one's working a little bit better. But I feel like I'm making a mess. You see, it's getting underneath my eye right here. Okay, so this blue shade is not my favorite in this palette. So it's either just me or has anybody else had trouble with this shade? Comment down below and let me know. We're gonna swatch it real quick and see. See, even the swatch to me looks kind of like patchy. You get what I mean? Like, I'm gonna just try to pack it on the best I can and blend the best I can. Okay, we're gonna see what we can do with the other eye. Oh, this is horrible. Let me get a dense like shading brush. Oh my gosh. And I love Physicians Formula. Let me wet this brush. Like, okay. I hope it's just me. No, I hope it's not just me, because then I'm gonna feel like an idiot that this is, and I don't even know how to work with an eyeshadow. If anybody else had this problem or they use this a different brush, comment down below. Let me know how you made it work for you, because I wanna know. Share your secrets, because this shade and me are not getting along. Okay, I just dug this brush in there. Okay, okay. I had to like literally dig my brush in there. And now there's like a mess all around my eyes. I used a Morphe M433 brush and literally dug it in there, and it's wanting to come off some. If you get this palette and you want to use it, use a brush like this. I'll show you what it looks like, because it might work for you. I mean, now that I have it on with this shadow, I mean this brush, don't get me wrong, the shade is super pretty, but I hate how it didn't work for all those other brushes. And I hate that it is really messy. Okay. Here in a second, I'm gonna have to clean this up with some concealer. Like, okay, you see that? That's how much I had to dig in there to get just this. Just this. Please, if anybody else found a better way to use this, please let me know, please. I'm gonna go in with my finger with that shade right there and put that on my lid. There's a lot that fell underneath my eye with that, but that might not have happened if I used a brush, so I'm not gonna say anything about that. And it dusted away easily. And that shadow is really pretty. Let's use a cream shadow brush and see what happens. Okay, you see, when I used it with the brush, there wasn't any fallout. Let's do the other side just using the brush and see what happens. See, this one is so buttery. Oh. I love this shade. See, for the rest of the shades, this palette is so worth it. Like, I'm still super excited about it. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera and fix this blue mess, and I will be right back. This is with the rest of my makeup on my face. I had fun trying to clean that up. Like I said, comment down below and let me know if you had a different experience with that blue. I would really like to know if anybody had better luck on what they did. I will try it again one day when I don't have to be somewhere afterwards, play around with it. But my final thoughts are for the rest of the palette to be so amazing. I definitely say it's worth it. The only thing that you're attracted to with this palette is that blue. I would be very cautious, maybe, I don't know. I'd just be very cautious of the blue. I mean, it ended up looking really pretty. I did have to blend some more. It's very difficult to work with, but if you're willing to work with it, hey, go for it. I don't have time to sit there and work with it anyways. But the rest of the palette is very gorgeous. The shadows are very buttery and easy to blend out. So for me, yes, it is worth it. Everybody has their own thoughts and opinions though, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Toodles!